If you're a creator, a small business owner, or anyone living and breathing long-form video content, you absolutely need to pay close attention to what I'm about to share. I recently stumbled upon this incredibly helpful tool called Vizard, and frankly, I have been using it non-stop to transform my lengthy videos into short, polished clips ready for any platform. This technology basically eliminates all the usual stress associated with content repurposing, which used to take me hours every single week. And to be clear right away, no, this is not another clunky, confusing editor where you need to be a seasoned professional just to achieve mediocre results. I want to walk you through exactly how I've integrated this into my daily content routine right now. Before we get into the step-by-step process, we should address the cost structure, which is an important starting point for everyone. Yes, Vizard does offer a completely free tier, which is fantastic for letting you thoroughly test out all the core functionality without commitment. However, you should know that the free version does come with necessary limits, meaning you cannot just upload infinite hours of footage for processing on that tier. Think of the free option as the perfect opportunity to really see if the tool gels with your current creative workflow. If you need full flexibility, longer processing times, or the ability to schedule content in bulk, then naturally you'll need to look at one of the premium paid plans. Even with those caveats, the free version is more than capable of demonstrating precisely why this tool can fundamentally change your content management strategy. So let's dive right into the typical step-by-step flow that I personally follow when I need to generate new short-form assets. The very first action, naturally, is uploading that massive long video file you want to break down, whether it's a full podcast episode or a client workshop recording. Once the file is processed, Vizard performs an in-depth analysis across the entire recording, which is where the magic really begins for me. The AI automatically identifies the absolute most engaging moments within that long file, spotting the parts most likely to hook a new audience member. It then immediately extracts those high-impact segments into perfectly sized short clips that are already formatted for posting across social media. This completely bypasses that tedious manual hunting process for finding those crucial 30 to 90-second highlights that actually convert viewers. After processing, you will see all of these newly created clips neatly listed, each one accompanied by an auto-generated caption suggestion. Furthermore, the system suggests the optimal platform format, whether that needs to be vertical for TikTok or a traditional horizontal frame for YouTube. You always retain this power to dive into any specific clip to quickly tweak the exact trim points or swap out the automatically suggested thumbnail image. However, I often find that the AI nails the caption and timing so accurately that I can skip directly to exporting and posting without any further edits. That sheer speed, the ability to generate publishable assets in minutes, is truly what ultimately sold me on adopting this tool. Imagine finishing a critical client meeting or a long recording session, and instead of an hour of editing, you have usable clips ready in just a few minutes. Another feature that has honestly been an absolute game changer in maintaining my online presence is the completely automated scheduling function. You simply define how frequently you want content to drop, select your target platforms, and Vizard queues everything up automatically for you. For creators like me who are striving for consistency but absolutely refuse to micromanage every single daily post, this particular feature is pure gold. You decide the posting cadence, whether that's daily or just a few times a week, and the AI intelligently spaces those clips out so you never overwhelm your followers. Tied directly into that automatic posting power is the centralized content calendar, which offers serious organizational benefits. This isn't merely a pretty view of your upcoming posts, it's your single hub for managing, reordering, and making final edits to everything scheduled. Need to shift that interview snippet from Tuesday morning over to Friday afternoon? That's just a simple drag and drop action within the view. If you notice a caption needs a last-minute refinement before it goes live, you can click, edit, and confirm right there without changing applications. Having everything centralized like this means you never have to bounce between 3 different apps just to keep your entire week of social content perfectly organized. Now, let me be completely transparent and compare Vizard against some alternatives you might already be familiar with, like Descript or Kapwing. I know many of you have also experimented with audio-focused applications, perhaps even something like voice notes for quick summaries or idea capture. Those audio-first tools are excellent for transcribing calls or jotting down quick thoughts, but they generally don't help you repurpose that long video into engaging short clips. Tools like Descript and Kapwing are undeniably powerful for deep editing, yet they often still demand that you possess an editor's mindset to craft truly viral-ready snippets. Vizard's undeniable sweet spot, where it truly shines above the rest, is its deep tuning for automation in finding highlight moments for posting. It requires minimal hands-on input from you to get content prepared for publication across all your necessary channels. Let me share a couple of specific scenarios where I find using Vizard to be an absolute lifesaver for my day-to-day content strategy. My first frequent use case is immediately following a client consultation call where I've shared crucial, specific insights. Instead of manually writing up pages of notes afterward, I just upload that recorded session and the AI instantly pulls out those golden moments. Those highlighted segments then become fantastic, ready to post educational snippets that I can distribute across my channels later that same day. Another huge win comes from repurposing those massive 3-hour webinars that we all inevitably record at some point. Vizard will effortlessly digest that entire session and spit out several potent short clips that showcase the best advice you delivered. It also excels at grabbing those genuine audience aha moments captured in the Q&A section of those long training sessions. Beyond initial clipping, there is a surprisingly helpful editing assistant built in to refine those cuts and automatically generated captions even further. If you have a concern that the AI might miss crucial context, you can guide the entire regeneration process with simple plain language instructions. You can easily prompt it with things like find all the parts where I explain a specific complex case study for focused output. It will then rescan the footage based on those specific directional prompts and generate a brand new set of clips tailored to your request. This feature is incredibly useful when you are intentionally aiming for a very specific narrative angle or a key takeaway for your audience. The level of customization available goes surprisingly deep right within your main account settings for consistent branding. Here, you can set your preferred brand voice, define your default caption style, pick your primary social platforms, and even select a default posting language. The AI starts learning your specific tone over time, whether you prefer content that is casual, highly professional, or maybe even a little bit meme-friendly. When I adjusted mine to favor a more conversational and slightly snarky approach, the generated hooks and captions immediately felt much more aligned with my personal vibe. One really valuable feature that I find a surprising number of users completely overlook is the integrated performance analytics section. After your clips are published live, Vizard meticulously tracks the performance data so you can clearly see which snippets actually resonated the most with your audience. That collected feedback data then loops back into the system, allowing the AI to learn precisely what type of content to prioritize from your next uploads. For instance, if you notice that your 20 to 30-second quick how-to tutorials consistently outperform your longer monologue segments, the system adapts instantly. It will then proactively surface similar high-impact short teaching moments in future clip generation cycles for you. Now let's have some real talk about those potential limitations, specifically concerning the free plan you start with. The free tier is incredibly generous for initial testing and getting comfortable with the platform's overall feel. But if your goal is aggressive scaling, say posting daily across 3 different social channels, you will definitely need to look at a paid tier to remove those generation caps. The automated clip selections are remarkably good at finding value, but it's important to remember they are not entirely flawless human beings. Occasionally, the AI will choose a segment that requires a tiny, quick edit to make it contextually complete and perfectly clear for the viewer. This is generally not a major issue. A one-line caption fix or a half-second trim resolves it, but it is crucial to glance through the selections before they go live. For those of you wondering how Vizard specifically stacks up against an app like Voice Notes, let's draw a clear line between their primary functions. Voice Notes truly shines as your pocket assistant for capturing raw thoughts, generating quick transcriptions, and summarizing meetings instantly. Vizard, conversely, is purpose-built from the ground up entirely around the concept of video repurposing and the actual publishing workflow across socials. So my advice is to use Voice Notes for capturing those initial ideas or post-call summaries, and then switch over to Vizard when you need the video transformation. If you manage your tasks smartly, these 2 types of tools can actually complement each other beautifully in a highly organized content system. The ultimate excitement for creators comes down to one central truth. Consistency is the absolute currency of success in the digital space today. The most difficult part of this whole game is rarely the initial ideation. It's almost always the editing, the formatting, and the relentless task of publishing. Vizard functions by expertly removing that painful friction that exists between having a great, long piece of content and maintaining a stream of short-form assets. If you currently have a backlog of untouched content sitting on a hard drive, upload it now and simply let the powerful AI engine do the heavy lifting for you. You will walk away with high-quality clips, customized captions, and a finalized posting schedule all ready to go at scale. That is the kind of efficient, repeatable workflow that actually allows you to build a truly scalable content operation in your niche. So here is my personal closing recommendation on how you should begin testing this capability right away. First, jump in and test out the functionality available on that genuinely useful free plan to get your bearings. Upload just one of your most recent, decent-length videos to see what the AI is capable of extracting from it automatically. Then set a very small, manageable posting schedule, perhaps just for the next few days, to see the real-world results pop up. If you are pleased with what you are seeing in your analytics and reach, then confidently make the decision to upgrade to unlock the full potential. Please do not let the mention of an upgrade path deter you, because the free tier itself is honestly robust enough to showcase the power of this content machine. To summarize everything we've covered, Vizard has been instrumental in helping me remain consistent while significantly reducing my overall content creation stress. It intelligently discovers the best parts buried within your long videos, converts them into post-ready clips, manages the schedule, and keeps your calendar perfectly tidy. If you are currently juggling the demands of client work or a demanding full-time job alongside content creation, this is one of those rare tools that genuinely saves you time. It adds a new system to your workflow rather than just adding another tedious task to your already overloaded to-do list. I strongly urge you to give it a dedicated try, especially if you are completely burnt out on the hours spent manually slicing and dicing your footage. This single utility might just become the foundational backbone for your entire content distribution strategy, just as it did for my operation. All right, that concludes this deep dive into the Vizard process for now, so please go out there and test its power immediately. And if you find yourself wanting more specific guidance, I'd be happy to show you my exact optimized workflow in a future video next time. That future session will cover my precise settings, my personal clip selection criteria, and how I schedule an entire month of content in under 60 minutes. I'm looking forward to showing you those advanced techniques, so stay tuned for that session. Thank you so much for watching this overview, and I truly hope this discovery saves you an enormous amount of time. Catch you all in the next video, and happy creating!